Hey, it's a rainy day here in Lexington, South Carolina. Can't really do a whole lot of pest control on the outside, but I was just over by River Bluff High School at a Riverside subdivision, new right across the street from it. Had a service for mice, and let's face it, it's a rainy day. You don't want to be outside in the rain, and neither do mice, and for that fact, most insects don't want to be outside either. But let's talk about how to set a mouse trap. It's a pretty easy thing to do. A lot of people, well, they mess it up. So what do we use? We use the basic Victor snap traps. There's this one here, the Pro version, or there's another one. I'd recommend getting the Pro version. Makes it a little bit easier. I have a little bit of bait in here already that I put in. But so when you purchase this, it'll have a little staple right here holding the little trigger. You just pop that out, and now you're ready to set it. So you put a little bit of bait into this container, or whatever type of device you have, the place that you put the bait at. You don't want to feed them. You're just giving them a little bit to entice them. You can put it right there, okay? Just a little bit. You can see it's not a whole lot, but this is what you do. This is how you don't snap your fingers. If you follow this sample or this technique, you will never snap your finger, guaranteed. All it is see the spring? Never put your finger in front of that part right here. Always hold it behind there or right here. So this is what you do. You just take the little part here and you just pull it down, and then you just put it just right there. Your thumb's still holding it. I guess you have to hold it there, put it there. That didn't make any sense, but I guess you got to. So this is it right here. This is it. It's all ready to go. You're going to put this up against the wall, and the mouse is going to come in and feed it. A couple of things that you could do. You could put a little bit of cotton in there, not tons. And he's like, cotton, what is cotton going to do with anything? Well, mice will use that for building nests. And it's a perfect little spot. Get a little Q-tip, pull that little piece off and put it in there. You can actually tie it on there, make them work for it. So hopefully that helps you with setting a mouse trap. Some things that you can use for a lure, a bait, is peanut butter. Peanut butter is awesome. Cheese, stay away from cheese. You can get a little Slim Jim, put a little piece of Slim Jim in there, and that would be enticing. Sometimes some thread, a little piece of thread, not tons of thread, just a little bit. That's again for building nests. So anyways, if you're in the Lexington, South Carolina area, have rodent issues, mice, rats, give me a call. It's Lamps Pest Solutions. Hey, would you do me a favor? Would you like this post? Not this post, but whatever it's called. I'm kind of new to this YouTube stuff. Anyways, hope you're having a good day, okay? Bye now.